Are your walls looking a little too plain? Want to give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'll show you some of the most creative and easy wall painting design ideas that will transform any space in your home into a stylish masterpiece. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Curios Hub. I'm so excited to show you how simple wall painting techniques can elevate your space and give your home that personal touch. Whether you're into bold colors, geometric patterns, or a more subtle vibe, I've got a design idea for you. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk geometric patterns. This is one of the trendiest ways to add some modern flair to your walls. All you need is painter's tape, a couple of your favorite paint colors, and a little imagination. Simply apply the tape in a pattern, triangles, squares, or even abstract shapes, then fill in the spaces with different colors. Once the paint dries, peel off the tape and voila! You've got a dynamic geometric feature wall that pops. Next up, the ombre fade. This technique is perfect for those who want a smooth, calming gradient on their walls. Start with your darkest color at the bottom of the wall and slowly blend it with lighter shades as you move up. Use a large brush or sponge to blend the colors seamlessly. It's a beautiful way to add depth and texture to any room. Now, if you're looking for something quick and detailed, stencils are your best friend. They come in all sorts of patterns, from floral to abstract, and instantly elevate any space. Position the stencil on the wall, apply your paint, and repeat. You can create an accent wall full of intricate designs without needing a professional. This idea is great for living rooms, bedrooms, or even hallways. For a modern and artistic touch, try a color block wall. This design involves painting sections of the wall in different colors to create bold, eye-catching contrasts. Choose colors that complement each other, then tape off large sections of the wall and fill them in with different shades. It's a simple way to add a playful and creative element to your space. And finally, for a fun and functional design, why not try a chalkboard wall? Perfect for kitchens, home offices, or kids' rooms. Just apply chalkboard paint, let it dry, and you've got an interactive wall that can be used for notes, doodles, or to-do lists. Plus, you can change up the design whenever you feel like it. So, whether you're into bold geometric patterns, soft gradients, or practical chalkboard walls, there's a painting design idea here for everyone. It's amazing how a little paint can completely transform a space. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Curios Hub, and comment below with which wall design you're excited to try.